Hello everyone, I hope you're having a fantastic day. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm doing the unboxing for the Love from Lizi April 2018 card kit. Now we're going to take a quick look here. Move my coffee cup out of the way. This kit came in a 12 by 12 box this month. And so there's two bags actually. A little goodie bag, we're going to look at that later, but we're going to open up the larger bag first. We'll always start off with the cardstock. In Lizi's kit, there always comes 5 pieces of cardstock that coordinate. So let's just take a look. These are, this month, are A2 size, so they're 8.5 by 11. You get a sky blue, a rose pink, an apple green, a black, and a sunshine yellow. Next, we're going to take a look at the pattern paper. Now, this is a little bonus this month. Instead of 6 by 6, these sheets are actually 6 by 8. So you get 2 extra inches. There's a few large images on these pattern papers, but that's okay. Like this one here will fit an A2 size card base perfectly. On the reverse side, there's pattern paper also. So they're double-sided. Beautiful colors, beautiful floral images. This is gorgeous, and if you choose to trim this down, it'd work really nice on a card base also. The reverse side here, you get the I am sentiment. I think the colors in this collection are wonderful. A lot of fun elements. Love that little watercolor look there. I wanted to share with you today too that starting now, Lizi, if you choose to purchase the kit and decide to add any add-ons, you won't be charged extra shipping, which is fantastic. Lizi will include them with your kit. The deadline for that ends on the 25th of each month at midnight. So anytime you add on after that, you have to pay for shipping. But I think that's a great value if you want to check it out. I'll leave the links below. You also get 4 sheets of specialty cardstock. This is pearlescent. Beautiful colors. These are half of an A2 size sheet, so they're 4 1/4 by 8.5. And then you also get some cut apart sheets. These are 12 by 12, and they won't fit in my camera view. Sorry about that. But in this sheet, you get 6 cut aparts. Beautiful images. Love that. And then there is pattern paper on the reverse side. And actually the pattern paper on the reverse side, you get a 6 by 8 sheet of that. You also get another 12 by 12 cut apart sheet. This one has 8 cutouts, or 8. I can't count today. But you get 12 cut aparts. So, and the nice thing about these is there's some rose gold foiling on a few of the cut aparts, which is gorgeous. Backside is pattern paper also. But lots of elements in this card kit this month. Along with that, you get a 12 by 12 sticker sheet, and these are beautiful stickers. Some of them have a white border, some of them don't. But there's a few sentiments, beautiful images. You get sentiment strips on the bottom, along with some tabs and a cute little black gingham scallop border down there. So you get a full sheet of that. Let's see what else we got. We're going to scoot over our specialty cardstock, make a little bit of room. Ooh, I'm excited about these. These are actually clear peel-offs. Love these. They have an iridescent glitter to them, but it'll take on the color that you put behind. So if you use the pink cardstock, it'll show pink, which is so neat. Those are gorgeous. Next, you get an embossing folder. This is an extra large embossing folder, and I wanted to die cut or emboss a piece of paper for you to see what it looked like. I thought the little birdies on here were beautiful. So you get that, and then you get your Love from Lizi exclusive stamp set. This month there's no images, and I think that's because there's tons of images in the collection. So these are interactive sentiments that you can build your own sentiment for your cards, which is great. Now we're digging into our little goodie bag. You get tons of ribbon. You get a sheer ribbon, a real thin blue, a real thin white, and a real thin black. Now each of these are about 3 feet long, a little over 3 feet. So you get plenty of ribbon. You also get a 1-inch strip of burlap, which is the same size. It's about 3 feet. And then this is a 1/4 inch black sheer ribbon, and you get some of that. Now in this kit you get some Nouveau jewel drops. These are a real pretty color. I actually have this in my stash, so I didn't open the one that came in the kit. But these dry transparent, and so it's a real pretty blue. Love that. Real soft. Okay, what else we have? Now, next, let's see. I forgot to show you this one. This is so cute. The little tassel strip with some real soft colored tassels. Really fun. That make a fun element on a card. You also get some wood veneer sentiments. These are on the large side. They'll fit card bases nice. Well, this one you have to tilt it a little bit for it to fit vertically, but horizontally it'll fit perfect. The happy, of course, you'll have to do a side folding card for that. And then you get the hello that fits nicely on there. These are super large, but they'd be fun to play with. Okay. Along with that, you get a sample bag of sequins. These are real pretty soft colors that coordinate beautifully. So you get some of those. And then here we have 2 little canvas tags. They have little eyelets punched out in the top, which are nice. And then you get some burlap flowers. These are so pretty. You get 2 of the natural color burlap, and then you get 2 white burlap. The natural go with the ribbon, real pretty. So you get 5 total. And then these are so cute. Little itty bitty envelopes. Love these on cards. You get 3 of them, and they're like the perfect size. They open up so you can stick a little note in there. So you get 3 of those. Then it's nice because they're white. You can color them if you'd like. Now you get tons and tons of coordinating ephemera. There are tags, there's sentiments, there's floral images, there's banners, there's cutout letters that create some certain sentiments. And some of these have the rose gold foiling on there, which make them extra special. There's some banners. I'm not going to go through all of them, but there are tons to create your cards. So I'm looking forward to using those. If you're not into fussy cutting, this is perfect for you guys. I'm looking forward to using those. Okay, now you get 2 dies. You get a little birdie, and then you get a frame. I cut them out for you to see what they look like. There's a little birdie. I'm going to punch out the little pieces in the little frame. It's a real dainty little frame. Now I did want to let you guys know again about the add-ons. If you want to add on to your kits, or if you have to make sure that you're a subscriber though. You have to be logged on to Lizi's shop. But free shipping is great. So if you have any add-ons, now's the time to do it before the 25th at midnight. But that's everything in the kit. Look forward to doing my 10 cards 1 kit with this beautiful card kit. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.